Looking for the best smart doorbell that gives you peace of mind and looks amazing at your front door? Stay tuned because today I'm reviewing the Ring Battery Video Doorbell plus Chime. It's the latest and smartest upgrade for your home security. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check the link in the description to grab this amazing Ring doorbell after watching this review. Today we're diving deep into the Amazon product review of the Ring Battery Video Doorbell Chime. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. Now first, let us talk about what makes this the best smart doorbell right now. 150 head-to-toe HD video. You see visitors from head to toe. No blind spots, no guessing. Whether it's a package at the doorstep or a friendly neighbor, you see everything crystal clear. Color night vision, even in total darkness. The footage is sharp, colorful, and detailed. No more grainy black and white night footage. Built-in rechargeable battery. This 2024 model now gives you 23% longer battery life, meaning fewer recharges and less hassle. 5-minute easy DIY installation. No professional needed. Just drill 2 quick holes, scan the QR code, and you're fully connected. Alexa, smart home integration, connect to Echo Show or your Alexa app. See, hear, and speak to visitors hands-free. Real-time motion alerts and two-way talk. Answer your door from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Talk to delivery guys, greet friends, or even warn intruders remotely. Let's see it in action. Here's me answering the door while I'm actually across town. The motion alert came instantly, and with just one tap, I could talk to the delivery person and tell them exactly where to leave my package. And check this out. Even at night, the color clarity is incredible. You can easily recognize faces, packages, even pets walking by. One thing that impressed me, installation was honestly easier than setting up a TV. With the new push-pin bracket, I was ready to go in under 5 minutes. Absolutely perfect for busy homeowners who value their time. So who is this for? If you're a security-conscious family or an upper-class homeowner looking for a reliable, stylish, and ultra-smart home security doorbell camera, the Ring Battery Video Doorbell is a no-brainer. It's also ideal for frequent travelers who want to monitor their home remotely. Quick heads up. If you want to save your videos in the cloud, you'll need a Ring Protect plan, starting from just around $3 a month. Trust me, it's totally worth it for complete peace of mind. Here's the deal. Ring has consistently delivered top-notch video doorbells, and this one is no exception. In fact, I'd say this is the most advanced and user-friendly doorbell I've tested so far. Let's face it, in today's world, home security is a must-have, not a luxury. And the Ring Battery Video Doorbell 2024 has everything you need to keep your home safe and your mind at ease. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Well, hello there. Thanks for stopping by. Have any questions about the Ring doorbell? Drop a comment below. Our team will be happy to help you out. If you're already a Ring user, we'd love to hear your experience. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.